Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the problem when the left and right click of your HP laptop touchpad are not working. First, sometimes the HP touchpad can be turned off accidentally. Look at the top left corner of your touchpad. You will see a small light there. If that light is on, it means the touchpad is disabled. To turn it back on, simply double tap on that light. The light should turn off and your touchpad will start working again. Try moving your finger on the touchpad to see if the cursor moves properly. If the problem still continues, we will use Device Manager to update or fix the touchpad driver. Press the Windows key and X key together on your keyboard. A menu will appear. Use the arrow keys to select Device Manager and press Enter. Once Device Manager opens, press the Tab key to move through the list of devices. Use the arrow keys to find the category for mice and other pointing devices. Under that section, you should see your HP touchpad listed. Press the right arrow key to expand the list, then select your touchpad from the options and press Enter. Now press Shift and Tab keys to move up to the top menu, then use the arrow keys to highlight the driver tab. Press Tab twice to move to the Update Driver button and press Enter. Choose the option that says Search automatically for drivers. Windows will then look for any updates and install them if available. Follow the on-screen instructions until the process completes. If your touchpad still does not respond, we will try one last step. Press Windows and R keys together, then type CMD and press Enter to open Command Prompt. In the Command Prompt window, type the commands sv/scanno and press Enter. This command will check your system for any corrupted files and fix them automatically. Wait until the process is complete, then restart your laptop. If your touchpad still does not work after this, it is likely a hardware issue, and the touchpad may need to be repaired. Thanks for watching.